What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock backgrounds or elements in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up your Canva design and then click on the background or element that you want to lock. Once it is selected, go to the top toolbar and find the lock icon, or you can click the three dots and locate lock. The element is now locked, which means it cannot be moved or edited while you work on other parts of your design. This helps prevent accidental changes. If you need to unlock it later, simply click on the element again and select the lock icon. Now you can switch between locked and unlocked at any time depending on what you need. And that's how you lock backgrounds or elements in Canva.